Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can register for Capital One online banking. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is once you're on the website, you will just have to click set up online access and just wait for the website to load. And once you're here, you will just have to enter your personal information. So fill out your last name or your first name if it is required or ask for or if they ask for it, and then you will of course fill out your security social security number as well or ITIN, and then of course your date of birth, and then after that you will just have to get started, and then you will be asked to create your username and then your password, and then you will just have to click submit, and then you will verify your email as well by clicking the link sent to your inbox, and you're now registered and can log into your online banking. And that's basically just it. And I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.